for CFBC. All my friends them sign up with me. We make it easy.
I am Kelly, the Assistant Registrar with oversight of admissions and registration. I'm so excited that you have made the decision to apply to the Clarence Siswan College. Today, I'm here to inform you about our very quick and easy admission process.
Ready? Let's go! Visit the college's website, cfbc.edu.kn. Scroll down and click the Apply Now button, where you'll be able to access and complete your online application. Applicants can visit the main campus to submit their supporting documents to the Office of the Registrar. Then proceed to the cashier to pay the application fee. Applicants can also submit certified copies of their supporting documents online by sending an email to admissions@cfbc.edu.kn. The option to pay the application fee online by the college's payment portal is also available. Don't stay at home feeling confused. Visit us, call, or send us an email at admissions@cfbc.edu.kn. Sign up April 1st to July 31st annually.
Line up and sign up.